the world is going to be a better place next year, in the next decade? Can we end hunger, achieve gender equality, halt climate change, all in the next 15 years? Well, according to the governments of the world, yes, we can.
Hey guys, Trace here for DNews with some engineering and physics that might change the world. We are close to solving the mystery of fusion power that keeps the sun going. While nuclear fission gets a bad rap, nuclear fusion is completely different. It's one of the holy grails of science. Fusion offers a near-limitless, pollution-free, cheap source of energy. The deuterium to power the reaction, harnessed from seawater, and its waste is the super rare helium-3 or helium-4, or perhaps more deuterium. Plus, ideally, hundreds of times more energy than we put in. No big deal. The best part? We get all of this with no more radiation than we're exposed to in an average day. Fission involves using heat and pressure to split an isotope of uranium. Fusion involves combining two atoms into one. Both release huge amounts of energy, but the whole fusion thing, so much more efficient. The National Ignition Facility has used 192 laser beams to create an X-ray pocket inside of a 77-ton machine. The pocket superheats the hydrogen deuterium fuel and excites the particles. As hydrogen has a positive charge, atoms normally repel each other. But inside that pocket, as the small piece of fuel burns at 100 million Kelvin, they move so fast they slam into each other, fusing and creating new atoms, releasing massive amounts of energy in the process.
On average, African manufacturers suffer nearly 2 months' worth of power outages a year, severely disrupting economic progress. In the past 2 decades, as energy dependence has become increasingly important, Africa has only received about $600 million annually in energy assistance from foreign countries. The UN Sustainable Energy Goals are focused on providing universal access to power and clean fuel, doubling the amount of renewable energy, and doubling the rate of energy efficiency. Efforts like President Barack Obama's Power Africa initiative are focused on bringing foreign advisors and financial help to figure out how best to invest in Africa's energy infrastructure. Still, despite these efforts, the World Bank has said that there needs to be considerably more sustained investment to
It's hard to imagine life with no electricity. Yet a significant portion of our world lives without it. Almost 1.3 billion people live in the dark.
How do you bring people out of poverty, but do it in a way that does not destroy the environment? Give Power is blazing a path forward toward that solution.